Today guys we are gonna play Escape the Hospital Earth. Now this is the start of it. I'm sorry but this is the doctor has gone mad. Pull the lever over there. Where? Oh, there. Okay, this is the 6 right there. How long is what? How did Jones did not jump that? Okay. What's this for? But before we go further, please like and subscribe the video for more Sigma OV. Why did the doctor did that? Looks like we made it to the X-ray room. Look at the giant skeleton. Bro, I know. What's that? Okay. What's this? Bones? Oh my god, why did it? How did I do that? Whoa. What's this? This is Dr. Shalom. Okay. There is it. What the? Bridge is so big. I almost died. Oh, what's this? Are these lasers? Oh, this is blocks. I thought this was lasers. Okay, let's go. What is this pink stuff? I don't know. It's just BioGear pink time. Okay, okay. Let us see. Huh, looks like we can only go down. What the? How did Bro got there? Oh, bye. I thought I was gonna ragdoll. We are in some sort of giant dumping ground. This, how does the bones not melt in the lava, bro? It's it's bones. Yes, it makes sense. But is this not made of bones? I don't know. That little pad will make you run faster. No worry. I think this is a magic pad. Oh, so fast! This is so fast. I'm so fast. Where's the next one? Next one, and last one. Where's this guy? Where's? Take the elevator back to the surface. Okay. Huh? How? It's so weird. Dead end. We need somewhere to hide before the doctor. Oh, find us. Yes, you have it. Okay. Let's hide in this dive for a while. Remember to press the jump button on the land. Oh, oh, oh. What the? What the? Are these lasers? For example, I think this is alright. Here, bro died. What is that? Bro's heart. This is his spinal cord, I think. Oh, now what's this? Ew, wow. How did not bro feel that? Bro, this is so disgusting. Tick. Oh, I can see. Oh, this is so easy. over here. What's up? Over here. Oh, bro, how did bro know that? How? How? Bro, how did bro do that? Ew, don't do that. Oh, that was a fake. I think this is the spinal cord. Or spinal cage. It's so hard. What's this next? It's back spinal cord, I think. What's this thing? Why is it doing like a apple? Bruise to hearts. Oh, what? How is it so big? One. Oh, here. What's this red thing? Oh, it kills me. How did I die? Okay. What's this? Oh, so we need to jump those. I have an idea. What is this thing here? Oh, I can do that. Okay. Yes, we should do the single parkour again. Whoa! The fuck? What's this? Is this the drain? Oh, someone's there. Oh, parkours. Wow. A drain as parkours. We are gonna beat this Obi without using any Robux. That's why. What the fuck? Oh my god! Victoria! Yes! Oh my god! You are that. And you can do secret bad fat fox. Huh? I think this is the secret. Oh, what's this? If you got fun watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.